the total loss of your vehicle. Let's talk about what happens if your car gets totaled. Car gets in an accident and we believe it might total because the damage is so bad on this car. You just really believe that your car might be a total. So let's talk about that. Sometimes it's not a total. Sometimes it is a total. Some customers don't want their car to total. Some customers want their car to total. Your car gets in an accident, it looks like it's gonna total. It comes to the body shop or it comes to the insurance company DRP partner shop. The insurance company calls you and tells you the body shop said the car's a total. And you're saying, oh no, I didn't want this car to total. I can't have that. I cannot accept that. There's not even that much damage. How is this car gonna total, right? The only way you can get help is if you contact a body shop to advocate for you to see whether or not the insurance company is legitimately totaling your car or not. So you need an advocate, and the advocate has to be a body shop, because the body shop could substantiate their estimate or the body shop can buke their estimate. It all depends on the body shop. So if you find a body shop in your area who can look at their estimate and say, oh yeah, I see where we can lower this, or I see where we can do this, I see where we can help you out and save this car from totaling, then you probably have some help. If a reputable body shop looks at the damage on that car and they're being honest with you and they don't want to just keep your car at their shop so that they can accrue storage and make you a promise like, oh yeah, we can save it, and all the while their car is sitting at the shop and now it's accruing storage, that's a situation you don't want. But unfortunately, people are taken advantage of by some body shops. So you can get a body shop who can look at that car and say, you know what, there's no way we can save this car. It's not gonna happen. We cannot save this car. This is a total loss. There's a gray area, and now you need an experienced body shop who says, I think we can save this. You're right. Hopefully you get that type of situation. Some people want their car to total, and they want the body shop to total their car. And it puts a body shop in a bad position because now the body shop has to inflate the price to try to push the car to be a total loss. It's what the insurance company body shops do a lot of the times. They inflate it to force a total on customers who don't want a total, or they'll save a car when a customer wants it to total. If you are the owner of this car and it is deemed a total loss, but you want to keep your car, that means you want to retain your vehicle. What you'll do is you tell the insurance company, hey, how much am I going to get if you take my car? And they may say, oh, we'll give you $10,000 if we take your car since it totaled. You say, well, I want to own or retain my car. I want to keep my car. They may say, okay, well, we'll give you, instead of $10,000, we'll give you $7,500. And then you say, okay, well, let's do it. You keep your car. You're supposed to give the body shop that money plus additional money out of your pocket, all right, the $7,500 and any additional monies to fix your car. We help people with that. So you get your car fixed, we fix it. Car's back on the street, ready to ride, you're good, you're happy, everything's good. You need to get a brake and light inspection. You get a brake and light inspection and you get a smog. You get those two things, you take the brake and light to the DMV, the smog to the DMV. Now you can register your car and you can be back on the street. And you can be back on the street with full coverage. Some people say, oh, you can't get full coverage, it has to be liability because it's a salvage title. It makes no difference. That same insurance company that totaled your car, once they get the brake and light inspection, they will fully insure your car and you'll be back on the street. So we help advocate for the customer so that they can get the car back on the street and very little money out of their pocket after they receive the money from the insurance. You just need an advocate who can fight for you, who can consult you, answer all your questions, explain the total loss process. So hopefully you find that. You'll find that in me, High Octane Body Paint.